armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, complex fire attack and actions of the EU group of forces eliminated up to 310 Ukrainian troops, 2 tanks, 4 infantry fighting vehicles, 1 armored personnel carrier, 9 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles and 2 Stabi howitzers. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar and Perchistovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The total losses of the enemy in these directions amounted to 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles, and 1 D-20 howitzer. In the Kherson direction, the fire damage has neutralized over 40 Ukrainian troops, 3 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer, and 1 US-made M777 artillery system during the day. In total, 404 airplanes, 226 helicopters, 3,620 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,456 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,074 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,456 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,177 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 610 servicemen in a single day, including 7 tanks, 1 jet fighter as well as 6 artillery units and 1 special equipment. In total, Kremlin lost 172,340 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,609 tanks, 6,966 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 399 days. There is still no peace talk agreement between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of special forces destroyed 2 counter-battery warfare radars with the help of a drone. President Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swears to repel Russia occupiers. Ukraine has not wasted a single week during the full-scale war. We are constantly strengthening our state, our defense and security forces, our confidence in advancing towards victory, Zelensky said on March 29.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. Короткий звіт на сьогоднішній день. Взяв участь у глобальному саміті за демократію по запрошенню президента Байдена. Це один із найбільших представницьких майданчиків захисту нашого устрою вільного народу. Вже другий такий саміт. Загалом у нас не так і багато у світі настільки представницьких можливостей говорити саме.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.